Check 1, 2.
Hey there, I'm Tina Rand, and welcome to your GOSiteReady. If you're short on time but want to know the basics and get up and running quickly, this is the video for you. I'm going to cover your dashboard, where to get support, how to add additional users, how the onboarding works, and show you where your data lives, all in a few minutes. So let's get cracking. When you first log into GOSiteReady, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base for a quick, high-level view of what's happening across your GOSiteReady. At the top are your onboarding tiles. They guide you through your first steps. You can hide them when you're done and bring them back at any time or access them again from settings. As your data imports, these cards will start to fill automatically. Attainment record shows every certification, license, and verification for your people, equipment, and companies, so you can see what's active or expiring. The Our People and Our Equipment card is your live register of your people and equipment in their current cycle. The Training Needs Analysis card highlights any training gaps between your asset roles and your assets attainments, so you can plan renewals before anything expires. Let's take a quick look at all the support you've got around you. First up, you've got support coming out of your wazoo inside GOSiteReady. If at any stage you have a question, there are a few places you can go for help. Let me show you. First, look for the question mark icons. They hold short user guide videos for the page you're on. You'll also see eye icons that give you quick tips and extra context right where you're working. And if you're still feeling a bit stuck, you can always hit up Gazza the GO bot. Type in your question, and if he can't crack it, you can ask him to put you through to support, and one of our team will jump in to help. Once you know where to get help, the next step is getting your team into GOSiteReady. Now that you know where to find help inside GOSiteReady, let's look at how you can invite other administrators who might also be working in GOSiteReady, and of course, worker logins. We're going to be heading to the settings page and then opening the users page. Click the plus icon, fill in the details of the new user, and then choose whether the invite is for an administrator or a worker. Worker logins have a restricted view of their job schedules. Click Save and Invite. The recipient will receive an email to create their login and can follow the prompts. I'd suggest waiting until you have set up GOSiteReady before inviting additional workers. Next, we're going to have a look at onboarding. You'll see a few different sections on the onboarding page. Not every section is mandatory, but setting them up now helps you unlock the full potential of GOSiteReady. Let's have a look. Starting from settings, if you remove the onboarding wizard from your dashboard, we are going to open the simple data import page. Each section works the same. Click the download template, add your data to the spreadsheet, and then import it back into GOSiteReady. GOSiteReady will automatically run a validation check, and if there are any issues, they'll be flagged with the matching Excel line number. So you can quickly fix the spreadsheet and then re-import it. Once everything passes validation, you're good to go. Your data will be in. So just continue to make your way through the onboarding panels. Up next, I'm going to quickly show you where all your data lives once you've imported it. Once your key data's in, you'll want to know where it's landed. Let me quickly show you those key areas before we finish up. Heading down the left-hand side of your screen, Skills, Asset Roles and Tags live under administration. Companies and work sites will be found under Jobs CRM. Contacts are up the top under All People. Your people and equipment assets will be found under Assets. And attainments for people, equipment, and companies are found by opening their profiles and scrolling down to the attainments page. That's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.